Hello, future financial wizards. Franklin Green here, your friendly guide to financial freedom. Welcome back to the Money Frog. Today we're tackling one of the most crucial topics for anyone starting their financial journey: personal finance tips for young adults. These 5 simple but powerful strategies will set you up for long-term success, no matter your goals. So, whether you're saving for your first apartment, managing student loans, or just trying to avoid living paycheck to paycheck, this video is for you. Let's leap into it. 1. Master the art of budgeting. The foundation of financial success starts with knowing where your money goes. The 50-30-20 rule. Break your income into 3 categories. 50% for needs like rent, groceries, and bills. 30% for wants, such as dining out and entertainment. 20% for savings or paying off debt. Budgeting apps like Mint or YNAB, you need a budget, can make this process easier. Once you see your spending patterns, you'll feel more in control and can prioritize your financial goals. 2. Build your emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, but your finances don't have to be. Start small. Dream big. An emergency fund is a safety net for unexpected expenses like car repairs or medical bills. Start with a goal of $500 and gradually aim for 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. The best place to keep it. Store your emergency fund in a high-yield savings account. This keeps it accessible while earning a little interest. 3. Understand credit and use it wisely. Credit cards are powerful tools, but only if used responsibly. Avoid the debt trap. Never spend more than you can pay off in full each month. High-interest debt can quickly spiral out of control, leaving you struggling to make ends meet. Build your credit score. A good credit score opens doors to better interest rates on loans and future financial opportunities. Pay your bills on time, keep your credit utilization low, and check your credit report regularly. 4. Invest early, even if it's small. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. The power of compound interest. Imagine investing just $50 a month starting at age 20. With an average annual return of 7%, you could have over $120,000 by the time you're 60. Where to begin? Start with simple options like ETFs or index funds through beginner-friendly platforms like Robinhood, Acorns, or Betterment. Even small contributions can snowball into significant growth over time. 5. Set clear. Financial goals. A goal without a plan is just a wish. Why goals matter. Whether it's buying a car, traveling, or paying off student loans, having clear objectives gives your finances direction. How to stay on track break. Big goals into smaller, manageable milestones. Celebrate your progress along the way to stay motivated. For instance, if you want to save $10,000 in 2 years, aim for $417 a month and track your achievements. And that's a wrap, my friends. Personal finance isn't about being perfect. It's about taking small, consistent steps that lead to big rewards. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the Money Frog, and hit that notification bell for more financial wisdom. What's your biggest financial goal? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear your journey. Until next time, stay smart, stay savvy, and keep hopping toward financial success.